10 beautiful and resilient houseplants perfect for gifting. If you're looking for a unique, beautiful, and long-lasting gift, houseplants are one of the best choices. Not only do they add aesthetic appeal, but they also purify the air and are easy to care for. In this video, we will introduce 10 of the most resilient and stunning houseplants that make perfect gifts. Pothos. Pothos is a hardy, trailing plant that many people keep in their workspace or even their bedroom. This is because pothos is considered an air-purifying plant, effectively removing toxins such as benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene from the air. When choosing a pothos plant as a gift, make sure its leaves are healthy and free from pests on both the leaves and stems. It is best to use wide, open-top pots, and a hanging planter would be an even better choice. Sansevieria. Sansevieria, also known as snake plant, is one of the toughest and most adaptable houseplants. It is highly resistant to drought, low light, humidity fluctuations, and extreme temperature changes. Its long lifespan and modern appearance make it a favorite choice among interior designers. Sansevieria is available in various colors, sizes, and shapes, making it a versatile option for any space. Additionally, this plant is recognized for its air-purifying properties. For tall Sansevieria varieties, cylindrical pots are ideal as they enhance the plant's elegant look. Shorter varieties should be planted in wide-mouthed, round pots, allowing space for new shoots to grow. To enhance its presentation as a gift, you can decorate the pot with wrapping paper, ribbons, and bows. Spider plant. The spider plant is a hardy and durable houseplant, making it an excellent choice for beginners. It can be displayed as a hanging plant from the ceiling or placed on a tall table or stand. Additionally, the spider plant is known for its air-purifying qualities. Most people prefer white hanging pots for this plant, as they complement its cascading green leaves beautifully. To make it a more special gift, you can place a postcard among the leaves. You can also attach small, lightweight, colorful paper decorations to the plant's hanging stems, which carry baby offshoots. ZZ plant. If you want to bring positive energy and a good feeling to your loved ones, the ZZ plant is an excellent choice. This evergreen plant is perfect for offices, hotels, universities, and apartments. It thrives in low light and requires minimal watering, making it an easy care option for any environment. The beauty of the ZZ plant depends on the shape of its stems and the type of pot used. In southern regions, people with refined taste often present this plant as a gift in woven baskets made from palm leaves, adding a traditional and artistic touch. Aglaonema. Aglaonema, commonly known as the Chinese evergreen, is a hardy plant that thrives in low light and tolerates drought well. One of its most remarkable features is its stunning foliage, dense growth, and variety of colors and patterns. This plant is easy to move and can be beautifully wrapped as a gift. White or cream-colored pots enhance its elegance, making it an excellent choice for a thoughtful and stylish present. Ficus Elastica. Ficus Elastica, also known as the rubber plant, is a hardy and adaptable houseplant. Besides being an excellent indoor plant, it can also be grown outdoors in southern regions with a warm climate. In Iran, 4 varieties of ficus are available, variegated with a red hue, variegated with white, deep red, and solid green. All these varieties are suitable for indoor care. This plant thrives with minimal maintenance, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced plant lovers. Parlor Palm. The Parlor Palm is a stunning houseplant, practically made for gifting. It's an excellent choice for those who love tropical plants and thrives in low-light indoor conditions. Interestingly, this plant also plays a significant role in air purification. For planting a parlor palm, round or cylindrical pots in various colors are ideal. Adding a red ribbon or a decorative bough to the pot can make it even more appealing as a gift. Yucca Tree. Yucca is one of the most resilient houseplants. In recent years, older and larger yucca plants have been transformed into bonsai, gaining popularity among plant enthusiasts. Its needle-like leaves and thick, woody stem give it a distinctive appearance. Those living in northern regions can plant yucca outdoors. This plant has various species, some of which are well suited for cold, mountainous climates, while others thrive in arid, desert-like conditions. English ivy. English ivy is a resilient, trailing plant that thrives in various conditions. In cold and humid regions, it is often used as a natural building cover. However, it also adapts well to indoor environments, even in low light. In Iran, 3 types of English ivy are available: large leaf green, variegated large leaf, and miniature ivy with small leaves in both green and variegated forms. A hanging pot is an excellent choice for showcasing this plant's beauty. Beyond its stunning appearance and adaptability, English ivy is also an effective air purifier. By gifting an ivy plant to your loved ones, you're not just giving them a decorative plant, you're also showing that their health and well-being matter to you. Kalanchoe Blossfeldiana. Kalanchoe Blossfeldiana, also known as florist kalanchoe, belongs to the Crassulaceae family. It features spoon-shaped leaves and dense, star-shaped flowers that come in a variety of colors, including yellow, white, red, pink, and purple. As the name suggests, this plant typically blooms during the colder months of the year. It is drought-tolerant but, compared to other houseplants, requires more light. In some cities, it can be grown and maintained outdoors in gardens or courtyards, adding a vibrant touch to any space. Conclusion. Giving a houseplant as a gift is a wonderful way to show love and care for your loved ones. These plants not only add unique beauty to any space, but are also easy to maintain and can last for years. Which of these plants would you choose to give as a gift? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. We upload exciting content about houseplants every week, so hit the notification bell to never miss a video.